Don't think about the past or the future.
This room, I said, has higher potential because we can do what we gotta do with our mind.
Complete the mission. Every time it's a progress, we're gonna complete the process. But once we see the future, we go with the script of God, yes, we did it.
And I'm just so grateful that you all are uplifting and encouraging each other because that's only the best way to be, and you all are go further with each other's help.